Oh. Where am I? Why is there green behind me?
Hello, Nicholas.
Hi? Where am I?
What? Nowhere.
Why is there useless garbage about 5 meters from me?
No reason.
Judging by your voice, you sound like you're about 40, but there's old lady stuff over there. Don't tell me you still live with your parents, do you?
No.
Then where am I?
My girlfriend's place.
Really? What's her name?
It's, oh shit.
Dude, where are we now?
A different place than before.
Why did you move me?
3 words, Nick. Location, location, location. Now I want to play a game. No, not that game. Notice the stereo to your left. That holds a Hannah Montana CD. If you don't solve the Rubik's Cube to your right, the Hannah Montana CD will go off. And I think we both know what happens after that. So go, Nicholas. Solve the Rubik's Cube in about 5 seconds. Ooh, sorry, Nick. That was 5.2 seconds. See ya.
What? This song again? That's terrible! It's melting my brains!
Organizations.